fuck, boy. That is fast as fuck, boy. I'm minus PB here. What the fuck? What the fuck? I think that was the Hendrick of a warp. What the fuck? What is this? 55! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Unfortunately, the untied happened, but I would have been tied if that didn't happen. Oh shit! Oh!
No, it wasn't me.
What? Yep, the power of Lil Mosby. Yes, sir.